Good morning! Happy Tuesday, guys! Focus ako pag-prepare ng lunch ni Ayla kanina. Sabi ko, huy, mag-vlog ka habang wala pang makulit na umagaw ng camera mo. Tulog yung dalawa. Si Arlo at saka si Indy. Tulog pa sila. Ayla's already here, but parang antok pa nga itong Inday natin. Are you eating, ate? Did you sleep late? Huh? You couldn't sleep? Oh, Baba, you have to do your best because you know you gotta wake up early. You still got a lot of school days left before day off. Well, today's only the second day, so you still got 3, well, 4 really, because you've got gymnastics on Saturday. Alam ko matagal na tulog kasi may sinusulat-sulat pa dyan. Ito nilagay pa talaga sa tubig para mabasa ko. I love you, Mom. Ayla at saka Mommy. Kagabi niya yan ginawa during bedtime kasi di ko yan nakita na ginawa niya dito sa baba. Tapos nandun din sa taas, nandyan sa water bottle niya. For brain food, do you want mandarin and orange? Or mandarin and apples?
Mandarin and oranges.
Oranges, yeah. Grabe ka na talaga ka. Vitamin C loaded ang ito ate. Yung iba, dalhin natin mamaya for sports. Nag-bake din ako kahapon. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. But nag-bake ako ng chocolate muffins na merong maraming gulay sa ilalim. Yes, baby? A blanket? So, yung isa, nilagyan ko ng sprinkles. Tapos yung isa, yung regular natin na gawa na chocolate. So, ilalagay ko sa kay Ayla yung may sprinkles. Diba? Bilis-bilis ko natatapos kapag tulog pa yung dalawa. Ah, good job, baby. So, na makapag-focus tayo kay ate sa kanyang reading.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice, gone before you ever know. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Hi, baby! Good morning! Good morning, my baby! I like your pajamas. Very, very nice pajamas my daddy has today. Morning, ate. Morning. Okay. Come on, Ella.
Is this
Good job. Yep. Go on.
tough?
Stuff. Yep. Well done.
Gone before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever, or just any word, but there's a lot of it inside a head. If I knew how, I'd let you have
Well done. Oh! That's it. Good job, baby. Last one, please. Just to make sure you got it.
Where?
Yes.
What?
Want. Just remember you've got the na there, okay? Again.
What?
Want.
Want?
When you say I want something, want. That's the word, want.
One?
Good job.
When?
Ah!
Where?
Yes.
Some?
Good job.
Come?
Good job.
Down!
Yes. Again, this one. This is a very tricky one.
Want?
Good job. Okay. Well done, girl. Is that funny, beautiful?
Up.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna get your clothes, Ate. You're really good at reading the top of the heel. This one, it's a bit hard. The mess got a lot of tricky words. A lot of tricky words.
How many?
So many tricky words in this
Mom,
one. So just take your time when you read it.
It's hard because there's
16. Yeah.
15, I think.
I know. It's okay. Alright. Come on. I'll put it in your bag. I'll get your clothes. Come on, finish your food. But you did really well, baby. Wait, I need to do your hair.
Mom, over
Yes. Oh, that?
here.
Oh no, she wants to get her hair done too.
Properly.
I know. Just hurry up and change, Ayla. Ooh, time to get hair done. Ready? Daddy, look. Go. Ooh, good job, my Didi. Ready? Ooh. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so pretty today. Where are we going today? Where are we going?
Yeah, my recess.
I know, yeah. Your recess is in your lunchbox. All right. Oh my gosh, show daddy. Show daddy. Go look. Where's daddy? Go show daddy here. I like your pajamas. It's so pretty.
Wait, what does the dramas look like?
Huh?
What does the dramas look like?
It's got lions on it. It's brand new.
Let me see.
Here, look.
Oh my god, come on here. Lily, say hi,
It was Alo's, but Alo didn't get to use it at all.
Why? What? Great.
Oh, hi, Kuis. Good morning.
Otter.
Morning. Aray, Andy. And down. Oh, wait. She wants to play with you. Wait. Last one. All right, go play. Go. Good dancing. Sus, ambot na lang yun ni mo, Inday. Eh? Where are we going? Yeah, where is that pointing to? What are we doing? Huh? Alams na guys, change clothes na. Oh, white noise is still on. Turn off white noise, okay? And open blinds. Yeah, ma help mommy? Yeah, open. Good job. Oh no, it's cold today, baby. Look at that. I like your pajamas. Excited? 1, 2. I know, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo. Guys, ang ating hindi napapayag na hindi nakadress. I-winter ngayon, so susuotin niya to, pero dapat magde-dress siya over it. Tignan niyo ha. All done! No, why not? Clothes. This is size 2. See if it fits. That's all done. Oh, clothes. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh my god! picture too. Ooh, does it fit? Nag-dress talaga tayo sa sports day? Yes!
I got so many nuggets.
Oh, okay.
There's nuggets in my room.
Gosh. Oh my gosh, my baby D is so pretty. Wait. Mommy fix. Oh my goodness. Wow, I like dress. You have to show Kuya. Where's Kuya? Oh baby, you look gorgeous. Hmm? Oh, here, yeah, go. Oh, so pretty. Oh, guys. Yung coat namin, inano ko na, dinisassemble ko na, guys. Papunta na yan sa ibang baby.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times.
So, ano yan? Yung pinaka-coat talaga. So, yan yung malaking mattress. And then, bassinet din. So, yan yung bassinet mattress. So, I did that on Friday, actually. Yeah, because that's it, guys. We're good with 3 kids. Yeah, good. Huh?
You guys the two times something happening. Someone fighted you.
Something's happening.
Yeah, someone fighted you.
Stop! What are you doing there?
Can you come see? Come.
Hindi, look.
Hi, Daddy. I can't see.
Come on, Arlo, your food is here, Kuya.
Okay, so I'm done.
No, you're not done. Keep going. Hindi, no. Put it back. Please put it back. Thank you very much. Close it. Where is Mommy's lash curler? Where is it? Where? One for the eyes. Where is it? Yeah, eyes. Can you find it and give it back to Mama? Yeah, go find it. Thank you. She had my lash curler and now I think she lost it. Baby, look for it. Where did you put it? She's not looking for it. Do you know what it looks like, Alo? The thing to
Oh, red?
pink.
A pink. Like you do this?
No, for the eyelashes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like this? I think you lost it.
She lost it, yeah. She was playing with my lashes bag.
Oh, yeah.
Indy! No, put it back. Okay, don't mess up your hair. Put it back. You found it! Yay! Thank you, Kuya. Huh?
Oh, behind the door.
Behind the door. Thank you. Very good spotting. Well done, Kuis. Thanks very much.
Can I see what it looks like? And you like do that?
I don't need it anymore, but you use it for your lashes like that. You curl your lashes.
Oh, can I do it right now? Oh, yeah. Can you do it?
Yeah, I didn't use it. Indy just took this bag out from the cabinet. Oh, she's got something else.
What?
What is it? She's got something else. Ay,
Mama.
naku. Sige, natapusin na natin to dito para makababa na tayo. Kasi ang dami na namang kalat na mangyayari dito sa kwartong to. Ano na naman yan? What is it? Ay, ang lamig today. I don't have my phone here, but I'm pretty sure it's very cold. Pagtingin ko pa lang sa labas, pakalamig na tingnan, wala talagang kaaraw-araw. Mr. Sun is hiding from us. Sabi niya, itong winter. What is it, Mike? Alright, tapos na tayo, guys. Oh, guys, yung perfume na in-order ko sa Yes Style, it smells like the Burberry Goddess.
Having this, Mommy.
Mabango to siya, guys. May pagka-spicy. Yeah, yun yung description ko dito, diba? Yeah, it smells like this, the Burberry Goddess.
Not baking.
Yes, yes. Yes, ito yung from FPF. I got this from Yes Style. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, diba?
Okay.
And ano lang to? 20-something dollars? So, mga 30 plus AUD lang yan.
Mommy,
You want chu-chu-chu-chu. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing, my dear.
Mommy,
You look pretty. Ito talaga susuotin mo sa sports para ka namang saan pupunta. Alright, that's enough. I'm good. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not sitting anymore. Okay, sige. Happy day ka dyan. Alright, I'm good. Let's go downstairs. Alam mo, ang aga natin nagbihis, guys. Alright, sa baba naman tayo. Oh my gosh, you guys! Cold! Well, now the car says 19 degrees. But maybe that's here inside the garage? Or yan ba talaga yung outside? Kasi ang lamig ng garage. It's raining right now. Oh, dang. Wait, Alo, where is your puffer jacket, kuya? 1 week.
Okay.
Yep. It's raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining. It's raining. What? Hopefully we can. Whatever. So I think if it still rains when we get there, we have to bring in this pram. Guys, we're taking the pram today. I don't usually take the pram anymore kasi naglalakad na si Dee, but it's raining. So you gotta wait, baby. There you go. Para may takip si Dee. Tapos kami ni Arlo, ganito lang kami ni Arlo. Alright, ready, Dee? Hello, where are you, Kois?
Right here. I'm inside the car.
Alright. Come on. Oh, hi, Kuya.
Hi, Mom.
Nakadress talaga tong ating Dee. Alright, sit. Alright, we don't have to buckle you. Yeah, I'm not gonna buckle you. Ready, Kois? Keep this on, okay?
Why?
Because it's raining. Alright, we'll just give it to her then. Or you can hold that.
We have that one.
Alright, let's lock the car. Okay lang ba tayo mga guys? Sports pa more. Wait, iwan ko kayo dito. Well done, Alo. Other way, Alo. Other way. Other way. Yeah, like that. Good job. Well done. Good job, Kuya. Yummy? Very close. Last one. Good job, guys. Alright, ready? It's still raining, guys. So it has been raining the whole time. Since kagabi actually. Ulan. Lakas ng ulan. Pero okay lang. We survived. Stay naman si Indy sa pram. Papunta doon at saka pabalik sa car. So it was a good session again. It was really good.
If only you had tried to let him know anything at all. How could he ever see the signs if there's none of them around? A part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror to find me window crying in the car home.
Guys, magluto tayo ng dinner. It's early. Wala pang 4. Magpo-4 na in 1 minute. But we will make French onion chicken bake. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok. It looked easy. So we will have it for dinner. So ingredients niya ay potatoes, chicken, and French onion dip something. So gagawin ko, magpipil muna ako ng potatoes tapos ikakat ko din.
Won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice. Gone before you ever know.
Dito yung chicken, guys. Minarinate ko to kagabi. So, lagay mo lang sa ibabaw ng potato. Depende na siguro sa inyo kung ano yung ilalagay nyo. Yung marinade ko was vegeta, yung seasoning, pepper, paprika. Yun lang. Kasi marami ng flavor to eh. Imimix lang itong French onion soup mix at saka thick and cream. Ang bango, guys. Let's put it in the oven. Ilagay natin yun doon ng... Yung nasa TikTok sabi niya 45 minutes daw to 1 hour. Ako, I'm gonna start sa 1 hour. Hanggang ready na kami kumain. Kasi it's now 4:19 and kakain kami niyan siguro mga 4:45. So, we will check. Ready? Ready? Steady? 1, 2... Oh my gosh, that looks good. So, nilagay ko siya ng 1 hour and 15-20 minutes. Baby! So, yung kay Indy. Oh, wow. Nice and soft yung potato. Tapos, naglagay tayo ng, wow, ano na guys, ang lambot na. B, can I just feed you, Indy? Oh, ang lambot na guys. Pakita ko muna sa inyo. Wala na guys, sinusubuan ko na si Indy kasi kasi pumayag. So, sinubuan ko lang. Right sa... Ayan, yung ating chicken bake. Nilipat ko siya guys sa malaki kasi nag-uumapaw yung ano kanina, sauce kanina. Bigyan ko lang si Daddy. lahat. Wait sa! Guys, tapos na kami maligo. We have, I think, 35 minutes before bedtime. So, i-prepare natin yung mga kailangan kong dalhin kina Mars bukas. Sa kanya kasi mapupunta yung ating coat. So, ibibigay din natin yung mga covers. Kasi anong gagawin ko dito? Buti na lang talaga hindi ko yun binenta. Alam niyo ba yung story nun? Ibebenta ko sana siya pagdating namin galing Pilipinas. So, nagpunta kami ng Pilipinas 2023. Tapos, pag-uwi sana namin, kasi nga mahabang holiday yun, pag-uwi sana namin, ipopost ko na siya sa Facebook Marketplace para ibenta. Or kapag walang bibili, ipamigay. Basta I was gonna get rid of it. Pero si Indy nga is nangyari dun sa bakasyon na yun. Buti na lang talaga hindi ko siya guys binenta. Kasi wala na. I got rid of the bassinet na nasa baba. Yun, pinamigay ko na. Yung capsule, pinamigay ko na. Pero buti na lang hindi ko siya binenta guys. Kasi dumating si Indy. Ngayon wala nang darating. Sure na. Sure na tayo na wala nang darating, diba? Ay, wait. Merong isa dun sa baba na ganito. Kasi yung coat at saka yung mga mattress nandun na sa car ko, guys. Nilagay na ni Dan kanina. Before yung dinner. So, ito, ilagay ko na din sa car para sure na. Ito na lang yung mga natira. Wala na ako masyadong mga pang baby, lalo na boy. Kasi nga, mahilig tayo mag-declutter. Tapos yung mga pang baby talaga ni Indy, like yung mga swaddle, wala na. I got rid of it na. Yung gate namin, bibigay ko sana kay Inday, kaya lang kulang ng part. Ayoko magbigay sa kanya ng kulang ng part. Wala dun guys. So yun na lang muna. Pamigay na natin to guys, kasi sure na wala nang susunod kay D. Sure na talaga. Sure na nga kami nung sa dalawa, diba? After ng dalawa, okay na kami. Kasi alam niyo naman hindi planado si D. Pero dumating si D and she makes everything perfect. She completes the family. So we're good. But now, as in, we're good na talaga. Okay na talaga kami. Ay, ito na naman siya. Oh. Careful. Careful. Okay, coming. Why are you crying? Alright, come. Come to mama. Ayan na.
I'll just keep them like that.
Yeah, the long one's fine, yeah. That is dismantling this. Ito lang yung mumurahin lang to eh. Kasi yung I'll give it away. Tita Marcia. Tinanong ko si Inday, okay daw sa kanya. Iti-take niya daw yan. Minay niya. Nahanap ko yung parts ng gate. So we'll see kung ito lang ba yung kailangan. Dalawa lang. Kasi pag na bigay natin yung gate, ay, okay na. Wala na ako masyadong iisipin. Hindi naman ako nababother sa kanila kasi nakatago man sila. Like, nandito sila sa mga cabinet. Buti na lang talaga, sagana tayo sa storage. Apakadami naming storage. Kasi kung hindi, mabubuang ako. Kung nasa labas tong mga to, hindi ko kakayanin ng aking Alright, here's the... Ito yun. Shitos. Yeah, dalawa lang. Para dito. At saka... Ay, so dapat 4. Coat is gone, guys. No more coat.
What do you give it to?
I'm giving it to Tita Mer's baby. No more coat.
You don't have your coat.
No more coat.
That's good.
Alright, bedtime.
Someone put Ali's toys in the bin.
No, it's Daddy.